Hi guys, this is Omo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my delicious spinach stew. It's simple but so yummy. You will love this recipe, I promise, even if you don't like spinach. So give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. I'm going to heat the vegetable oil and add one sliced onion. Then I will stir fry this for a few minutes. And for the ingredient list and exact measurement, please check the description box below. Once the onions are tender, I will add one crushed garlic and saute for a few minutes. This will give a very nice aroma to the oil. I will then add one green pepper cut into small cubes. Now I'm going to add a diced tomato and cook until all the vegetables are tender. For the spices, I will go very simple. I will just add the black pepper, a little bit of ground ginger, and my all-purpose seasoning. Mix this well and then add some basil leaf. I love fresh basil leaf so much, that's why I always add it in my recipes. Let this cook for a few minutes and add some cooked beef. So this beef I already boiled it with salt and pepper until almost tender. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. It's time to add our spinach. I use freshly sliced spinach, but if you can't get the fresh one, you can use the frozen version. Mix this well. And guys, if you are loving this recipe so far, please press the like button. I love to see those likes so much. Now I'm going to add my dry smoked fish powder. I love this fish so much. We call it bonga in Guinea. If you can get it, use it. But if you can't, you can use some crayfish powder. Mix this well and add some salt to your own taste. I'm going to cover this with water and let it cook on medium heat. I will also add a hot pepper, but you can add more if you like. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to crush some fresh okras. And add it in my stew. Let it cook for 5 minutes, then mix everything together. Cook this until all the liquid is almost absorbed. Check the seasoning to see if you need more salt. When you can see the oil on top of your stew and the liquid is all absorbed, it's ready. Serve this with rice, fufu, or anything you like. Have a nice day. Bye.